If Claude AI is giving you an internal server error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This kind of error can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary issue on Claude's side, a browser glitch, or even a weak internet connection. The good news is that you can usually get back up and running in just a few minutes. Before we start, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick AI and tech fixes just like this. It really helps support the channel and it makes sure you don't miss the next tutorial. Alright, let's jump into the first fix. Start by refreshing the Claude page. Sometimes the error is only temporary and a simple refresh is enough to clear it. After the page reloads, try sending your prompt again and see if Claude responds normally. If the error is gone, then the issue was likely just a brief loading problem. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to start a new chat. Open a fresh conversation inside Claude and resend your prompt there. Sometimes, the current chat thread can get stuck, especially if a message failed to process correctly. Starting over in a new chat gives Claude a clean session to work with, and that often resolves the internal server error right away. If you're still seeing the same issue, the next thing you should do is check whether Claude itself is having a wider outage. Open your browser and go to status.claude.com. That's Claude's official status page, and it will show you whether there's an ongoing service problem, degraded performance, or a full outage. If the status page reports an issue, then the problem is not on your end, and the best thing to do is wait until Claude fixes it. Now, if the status page looks normal, the next possible cause is your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can trigger loading issues and server errors, even when the app itself is working fine. To check this, open your browser and search for speed test. Then run an internet speed test and look at both your download speed and your connection stability. If your internet is slow or dropping out, try switching networks, restarting your router, or reconnecting to Wi-Fi before trying Claude again. After going through these steps, most users are able to fix the Claude AI internal server error without needing any advanced troubleshooting. So, just to recap, first refresh the page and resend your prompt, then start a new chat, then check the Claude status page, and finally test your internet speed to make sure your connection is working properly. If this video helped you fix the issue, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful AI tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.